So I was at my office just last week and had a new potential client contact me. And among the series of questions that client asked was the question of how long does it take a personal injury case in Mississippi from beginning to end? And that's an excellent question. It's a question that a lot of clients, in fact almost every client that comes in the door, ask us. And it's certainly a fair question, because if you have a claim for personal injury, most of the time you're not only are you hurting and having to get medical treatment, but also it frequently results in a loss of being able to do daily activities, not being able to work. It has an impact on people's lives. And so how long that case is going to take to get completed is an important question for most clients. And the answer to that question really is just, it depends. There's not a hard and fast even rule of thumb, and certainly not a law or rule that says how long your case is going to take. It's going to depend on the severity of the injuries. It's going to depend on how long the person is treating. So for instance, a personal injury claim where a person is injured, they get immediate treatment and they heal pretty quick, say in a few days or a few weeks. Well, that claim, the injuries are complete, is sort of closed-ended, and so we can sort of package that claim and prepare it for a settlement or to proceed with getting a fair payment on it relatively quickly. Now compare that to a case where there are serious injuries and a person is hospitalized for an extended period of time, where there's rehab afterwards, where there's potential physical therapy and long-term consequences. Cases like that often have to wait or take longer, because both the medical doctors and the attorneys and the insurance companies involved need to get a sense of what that person's prognosis is going to be once they've had a chance to get their medical treatment and once they're on a path to recovery. And so, oftentimes a person may be getting medical treatment for a year or more before you really know how they're going to recover. And what we mean by that is a person could be getting medical treatment and go into rehab, and you may not know if, for instance, are they going to be in a wheelchair for the rest of their life, or are they going to be able to walk through physical therapy and through recovery. And so the medical treatment itself and the recovery period has a big impact on the timing and how fast a case moves. Once a person reaches maximum medical recovery, if you have an experienced personal injury attorney involved in your case, then an experienced trial lawyer can take that claim, work it up once there's maximum medical improvement, and package that claim for a demand to the insurance company. An experienced trial attorney will know right off the bat if the insurance company is going to make an offer on that claim that is fair value or close to fair value, that treats the injured person right. If not, then you got to proceed into litigation. And typically in Mississippi, once you go into litigation, you're looking, depending on the complexity of the case, anywhere from 9 months at the shortest up to about 24 months from when the case is filed until you get to conclusion. So hope this answers some of the questions on that. Obviously every case is different. Brad Morris Law Firm is always here for a free consult on your potential personal injury case, or just to help answer your questions such as this about your case or your loved one's case. So thank you.